How to add a best friend on Snapchat. So if you want to add a best friend on Snapchat, then I'll show you the steps. First, open up Snapchat application, and then after opening, you can simply go for chats, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have all of your friends, right? So if you want to simply add a person, then you can go for the upper right corner, which has that contacts or which has that friends icon, and from here you can invite your friends or you can add someone. So let me tell you one thing, that you can't simply add someone as a best friend. So to make them as your best friend, first you have to send them snaps. So you have to send them snaps regularly, like for a week or for 2 weeks, and after sending them snaps, you should in return get some snaps from that person also. So if you simply send the snaps, like if that is one way, then you won't have that best friend option. The other person should also send you snaps as you do. So if you add that person and if you simply send some snaps, you should send them more snaps than the other person. So if you send one or two snaps to all of your friends, you should send your particular friend a minimum 5 to 10 snaps per day. So after that, after 1 week of sending those snaps, you will have that person as your best friend on Snapchat. So that's it. This is the way to add someone as a best friend on your Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.